Okay, in this video I'll be explaining to you the condition for using the signal and how you can successfully place your order. Suppose you receive a signal from the Telegram group you'll be added. Suppose you receive the signal that says buy USD JPY above 0.6452. Okay, so in this scenario 0.6452 will represent your CMP. All right, so this number can vary from pair to pair, depend on the pair you're trading. It could be any number, but whichever one you see on the signal that is given, this particular price that says above will represent your CMP. If you another thing you need to note is that when you are selling, instead of above, what we have here will be what? Below. If you are buying, you will have above. Because we are buying, we have above the CMP, and if you will be selling, you will have below the CMP. All right, okay. So if you have, once you receive the signal, two things are very important to take note of. Two things are very important to take note of. First, so these are the two conditions you need to put at the back of your mind. The first condition is what? Candle close. What does that mean? Let's assume this point here, we have this point of 0.6452 is the point of the CMP level. All right, you have to buy above this point. So what you need to do is you need to observe a candle close. See, it is written here, you need to observe a candle close at least 15 to 25% above the CMP level. So look at this candle. This candle closes above the CMP price level. So you can place your order because there is a candle close here. Okay, this which is above. All right, so we are expecting to buy. You're expecting to buy. You're expecting to buy. You're expecting to buy this pair, but in the case of selling scenario is the same thing. All right, so let's assume this is the CMP price level. You have to do what? The candle should close at least 15 to 25% below. Remember, we say once you are selling, what we have here will be what? Above. So you are going to have a candle close 15 to 25% below the CMP level. All right, so you see this candle closes below it, so you can place your order for a sell in this scenario. Okay, I hope that is well understood. So that is the first condition. Now the second condition says breaching of zone. What does that mean? I will explain a bit. So breaching of zone, what it means is that whenever you see a candle, whenever you see a continuous green candle, if you are in a buying scenario, if you are to buy, I'm explaining the second condition right now. So if you are to buy and you observe that there is a succession of green candle that breach the CMP price level, okay, you are not supposed to, this is why I cancel, you are not supposed to take the order when you make this observation. You see succession of green candle breaching above the CMP price level. You are not supposed to take this signal. What you just need to do is to ignore the signal. Okay, but in a situation whereby you observe that there are succession of green candle, but there is a kind of retracement or consolidation before price breach the CMP price level, you can take that order. But it's only in a situation like this, that you are not to take the signal. If you observe something like this, you should take the signal. When you observe that there is a retracement, okay, this red candle you are seeing here is representing the retracement or consolidation. If you make that observation, you should take the buy. Okay, you can take it, but only in this case you are not to take the buy. Okay, for the sell scenario, when you observe a succession of red candle breaching the CMP level, you are not to take the sell. You should avoid the signal. You should let the signal be. Don't take the order. Okay, leave it. Okay, so but in a situation whereby you observe it in this form and you notice a kind of you notice some consolidation. Look at these green candles. This green candle represents our consolidation. Okay, if you notice this type of consolidation before price eventually breach the CMP level, you can take the sell. All right, but if there are no consolidation, probably you have it in this form. Your succession of red candle just breach the CMP price level that is given to you. You should avoid it. You should not take the sell. Okay, I hope this is well understood. Okay, thank you.